So the third game is really full of errors, but nevertheless, like some people say that the checkmate, the last combination, is so satisfying that it doesn't matter that there's a lot of mistakes beforehand. So Adolf Anderssen was on white side, and he won this game. Okay, so King's Gambit, Bishop c4, interesting move in the Gambit system, this King's Gambit system, and already King loses its right to castle, and now b5. The Gambit is not good. The idea is to drift this bishop away from the f7 square. Yeah, that's pretty much it about that move. So knight f6 was played, attacking the pawn. Knight f3 counter attack on a queen, and now d3 protecting the pawn. Knight goes to h5, tries to get in here and to win some material. And knight h4, better was just to move the rook out of the way, but okay. Queen g5 and knight f5, c6, and now g4. Again, counter attacking, not really defending anything, but just going for attack. Of course, f takes g is not good because black is gonna lose the queen. So knight goes back, and now rook g1, protecting the pawn. So taking the bishop is apparently bad because white is gonna get a really strong attack and initiative after the moves h4, h5, and now queen f3. White is gonna take this pawn. Knight goes back. There was also a possibility of this queen getting trapped. So takes. So queen goes to f6, attacking this pawn here. Knight gets into the game. Bishop develops and attacking the rook. And now knight d5, which is also not a great move, but nevertheless still trying to keep attacking, keep the initiative, even at the cost of a material. And this was a final mistake that could have cost white a game. I guess only serious mistake. The previous ones were not so serious, but this would have lost if black played queen takes and took both rooks this way. But instead, black decided to take this rook here, which allows a beautiful finish. White wanted spectacular finish, and that's why he played e5, hoping that black is gonna make a mistake and allow that spectacular finish, which black did. But instead of e5, rook e1 was better with a really good attack because white pieces are really active. But instead, white wanted to give up that rook also and win a game in a spectacular fashion. So queen takes that rook, and now computer is saying that white has plus 2.3 advantage, which is crazy because black is up so much material. So maybe he could have tried some other moves, give material back and try to equalize, but he made this last blunder and allowed really beautiful combination, which is knight takes g7, and white sacrificed his queen, not to mention two rooks, to checkmate a black king. So I hope you enjoyed this game, and see you in the next video.